What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Stu from BadAss Productions, 405 Bullies Entertainment, and I'm here to show you some puppies on BadAss Productions. So let's go see them. Okay, they are Headquarters and Omen. The mama and daddy is outside. They're using the restroom right now. That's why you don't see them. And she had 4 boys and 3 girls. And let's look at them. I'm gonna show you all the ones. Well, I'm gonna show you the one that we keeping, and we're gonna show you all the ones that's boys and the ones that's all girls. So let's go. One, we keeping him. This is the one we keeping. So don't ask about it unless you wanted to spend that bread. Okay. So there you go, mama. You can keep him. Okay. First one up is a boy. As you see, they are healthy. Big necks, big heads. Okay, that's one. Next one up is a girl. No, boy, my bad, I'm sorry. A boy. Oh yeah. Big head, big neck. They all the same prices I'm asking for, so. No matter which one you choose, they all gonna be the same price. Here go the first girl. And then got another boy. He's the runs. He look like the mama. And then here go yet another girl. Look at that big old head. Beautiful. Now on the ears cropping, I'm not doing that. Y'all gonna have to do that yourself, cause the mama and daddy don't have their ears cropped, so I'm not doing that. Y'all will have to do that yourselves. But they will have their shots. Their first shot depends on what time you come, when the moment you come and get them. Cause 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, I'm gonna end up giving them their first shots and probably the second shot. And this is your last girl. The mama trying to get in now because she heard him. we about to go get them so you can see the mommy and daddy. First one was the daddy, second was the mommy. I believe you can tell by them things hanging. I done said enough of what I wanted to say. So, look me up, confirm. There you go.